Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Missy Bernier, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And welcome back. It's been a while since I posted a video. My last video didn't do so well. It was the get ready with me day party vibes. I have so many afterthoughts of the outfit I wore. Like, it was cute in hindsight, but I was very hot. And I'll tag the video above so you guys can watch it if you're interested. The shoes were super cute, again, in hindsight, but I was standing on them for 4 hours, so my feet were like swollen by the end of the day. So never again. Now I'm always like, if I have to go somewhere fun, I'm like, okay, like, should I wear flats? Because now I like think about that all the time. So anyways, I wanted to post this video. So the topic of today, I purchased a purse from Brandon Blackwood. And if you guys are not familiar with his brand, it's based in New York. It's a Black-owned luxury purse brand, and he has these really cute bags. He has all types of bags. He posts them on his Instagram a lot. That's where I like always scroll and see like what next bag I want from him. But the bag that I purchased kind of makes me think of the Prada nylon bag. Like they like brought back their like 2000 bag. I forgot the year. I'm not like super into purses where I like know the exact year, but I think it's like 2000 bag edition or something like that, or 2004. And it makes me think of that bag because it's like a mini bag and it's like just on your shoulder. It's literally the same color as my top. I love orange, so it's the same color. I think orange is such a good color for the summer and like the spring, even fall. So it's definitely a year-round color, especially if you live in like a warm state. I'm sure you can like probably get away with it if in the fall for sure, if you were like in Michigan or like Chicago or just like a northern state. But so I got the bag yesterday. I was so excited because I had to sign for it from UPS, and like usually like when I get packages I don't really have to sign for them, so I was like, oh, this is official. So I already opened the box like yesterday because I was just so excited, but I wanted to share that moment with you guys because I also found something in the box I didn't even see yesterday. So it's a handwritten note from Brandon himself. So I was like, oh my god, so cute, love it. So yeah, so again guys, also I wanted to share that I'm not dolled up. This is my everyday dog mom look. It's the look that I go to work in the summer. Like in my other videos, especially the one I did like a couple weeks ago, I don't like to wear foundation in the summer because it's so hot, and I just like don't want all that extra like makeup on my face. Like the most I will do is like highlighter, mascara, eyeshadow, like kind of like the basics, but I just like will not wear maybe concealer, but I will not wear like a full face of like foundation in the summer. I just like, it's too much. I get too hot. Callie's currently eating this box, if you can hear. But yeah, so this is my everyday look. I had my hair down earlier, but like now that I got this new color, it's so cute up, and like I love it. I might look a little greasy, I'm sorry, but I just came back from CVS because I had to like repaint my toes because I'm going to the pool tomorrow. Got this cute little resort pass. So I was like, oh my god, I can't have chipped toenails at the pool, because usually when I get my nails done, I get my nails done like when I get paid on the 15th, because that's like my fun check. It's like still a bill check, but not as like not as much as like the first of the month. So I wait like 2 weeks to get not 2 weeks, but just I wait until like after I pay everything. But anyways, so yeah, so this is gonna be a fun little video. It's not gonna be super long. I've noticed like nobody watches like my long videos, so I will never post something like that ever again. Okay, so let me show you guys Callie. Oh, this is Callie, guys. She says hi. I had to, when she goes to daycare, her paws get so dirty. I think she gets dirty because whatever solution they put on the floor that cleans up the pee, the poop, whatever, it gets on her paws, and like when I pick her up, it always smells like, she always smells like it. It's like not the best smell. So, I just put her in the tub really quick and like cleaned off her paws with like soap and water, and then I like cleaned up her face. So she looks all cute now. Okay, so let me get this all set up, and when I come back, I'll have it unboxed. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I noticed in like the first half of my video, I like kind of had a bad posture, so I'm gonna sit up straight because I was like, that's not okay. Okay, anyway, so it comes just in a regular brown box that you would see like in any package that you would get. Callie was eating it, so I'm sure she's gonna continue to eat it. The box comes like this. Let me turn this down so it's not like blinding. So the box looks like this, and it says Brandon, Blackwood, New York. So that's the box. So it's super, it kind of makes me think of like a shoe box. I mean, yeah, like a shoe box if I like got shoes or something. Okay, so yeah, it's really sleek. Love it. Oh, and also what came in the box was included, obviously the order receipt, and then, or like the ticket, you know, so many different names to call it. The ticket, your receipt, what you ordered, so a confirmation. So in the box as well, it says his name again, and it's like a little note, and it says Brandon Blackwood. And in the note, it says, thank you for your purchase. This is so cute. I literally just found this. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. Love, XOXO Brandon Blackwood. So I was like, oh, that's so cute. And it's like, literally, looks like he just wrote it for someone and then like wanted to give it to everyone. Like, how sweet. So I love that. That's so sweet, and it's so like personal. Like it feels like I know him. Like, let's hang out. Let's go to brunch, you know? So that's so sweet. I'm definitely gonna keep that because like I've definitely ordered designer purses and I've never received like a letter from the designer himself. That's so, or like there's like, you know, like I've never received any note from Chanel, YSL, Gucci. I've never received a letter from the actual designer, so that's really cool. Okay, so this is how it comes in the box, and then it came in a duster bag, which is so nice because you can keep it like this is how I store all my bags, keep them in the duster. So it was in this wrapped tissue paper. And you just open it up. And this is the bag. How cute. And yesterday I had a clear, I guess like tape across it to make sure it's like not, his name wouldn't get scratched. But it's great though, because it's so cute and you can just wear it on your shoulder. It's a cute little mini bag, so it's not too big. There's currently stuffing in here, so I'll take out the stuffing so I can show you guys like what's inside, because I didn't take out the stuffing yesterday because I like wanted to do this video. So this is the bag. I just took out the stuffing. It's a pretty, like, it's kind of big for it to be a mini bag. The only thing that's in here is like those packaged where they tell you like not to take them out, but I'm like, what is it? Those like gel packets. But yeah, this is the inside of the bag. It's kind of like a good size. It also has another like smaller pocket inside where you could put your card, like your like important information, like your ID or like your debit card or like some money. But it's a good size for a mini bag. I love that. I love the color, first of all. My friend was gonna get the blue. It kind of looks like a pool blue and it's super cute. I think he has like other like more summery colors, but I just saw the orange and I thought it was so cute. As you can see, I love orange. So yeah, the bag's really cute. It wasn't that expensive either, so that's what I liked. I liked the price. The price wasn't bad. So you could definitely style this with like jeans, or I just got some Nike low dunks, so I'm definitely gonna show you guys those, and they're really cute. So maybe I can like even wear this bag with those, or kind of have like, I'm thinking of so many ideas of how I can style this bag. So yeah, this is the bag. Very cute. I'm still waiting on my Teflars. I did the bag security program back in March. Like it was like the last week in March, and they like did this whole bag security program. You can buy how many bags you wanted, and they're supposed to be delivered between now and September. So with the Teflar bags, I ordered a small like mini oxblood and a medium navy because I wanted to use the medium navy to go to work because I don't have a work bag. My work bag broke. So yeah, so I'm still waiting on that, and I'll definitely do a video about those because I know Teflar is really like, it's now in like super up and coming now. Like all the stars, Beyonce has a Teflar. Like even Brandon Blackwood, he's like definitely, like Sweetie just had a bag with him on her Instagram, and it was like a McDonald's exclusive bag. So I was like, oh wow, that's so exciting. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys my bag. Again, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time you're watching this. Hope you have having a great day. And yeah, this is all I have for today. Yeah, so leave your comments below. Let me know the next bag you're gonna get, or leave comments about anything. I like reading your comments. So yeah, I'll see you guys, and hopefully I can post something soon. I think my next video I'm gonna post would be about Callie, because she's my service dog on the planes now, and I was talking about that in my other video. So I think that will be a fun little video. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.